Good evening. It's a bit choppy today. It's been a bit rainy and stuff. This evening is going to be a bit different because firstly I'm going to introduce Nicola Parsons to you, who some might know from the comments section. She often drops in and makes a few comments. I've chatted a few times on a different channel a while back with a lovely girl. Well, she sent in some pictures, where nature pictures, you know, the same kind of thing as what we like to see here. So I'll be showing you that. And I was going to do this earlier in the week actually. I filmed some footage on Sunday, which I'll also show you towards the end. Nicola has some interesting uploads on her channel, so do check that out. But also his son, King Wolf III, my new buddy, he helped me out quite a bit putting this together because, as you'll know from a few of the other videos, I was getting the boxing round the photographs. Well, he's got the savvy, hasn't he? And he's explained to me how to do it, so from now on it's onwards upwards, isn't it? So I'll show you this now and let us know what you think. Yeah, well, I added a little bit of classical ambience, but you could almost feel the ambience there. A lovely place. The lake looks fantastic. So thank you, Nicola, for that. Not only did King Wolf help me out with my videos, he subscribed as well. And I said that if he did, I'd subscribe to him. So yeah, I checked out a few of his videos. Quite interesting, you know. The subject matter, what I've seen, is quite mature beyond his years. I was impressed, and there's a budding career there if you know he wants it. Do check it out. He's 12 years old, and yeah, no, check it out. Give him some support. So yeah, this is some footage that I filmed on Sunday. It was a lot different that day. It was very calm, the weather still, very, very still. And I'll show you now. Today it's picking up. It's quite choppy. Well, I'm in the trees, so I'm kind of sheltered a lot. But anyway, here's the footage. I always love it up here on the hillside. Though it's renowned to be windy, but not today. It's almost as if we're in a time between breaths. Hello. I'm back to one of my favourite places today. The Hill Fort. It's really, you know, calm and chilled and warm. I think it's getting warmer as well. So join me. Let's see what we see today. I love walking up and down these alleyways, but slowly and quietly, because so many times I've just come bustling through and I've missed things because they've just run off, or by the time I've been able to get set up, I've missed it. So naturally, the inclination is to slow down and try and catch it and try and learn from the previous. It's not really a mistake, is it? Not if you learn. I'm starting to see these purple orchids all over the place now. Indeed, there's lots of wildflowers here. Well, I'm going to head back down into the trees now. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's always good to talk to you, and I'll be making more footage soon. I've just been having a bit of time to myself to develop parts of my life, you know, that's needed some attention, and all good. So I'm quite excited now because I've got something to do. I love meddling around with bits of footage. Hours of fun. Anyway, I'm going to leave it now and put this together, and I'll speak to you all again very soon. Love you all. Bye. For now. This bit looks like the entrance to an enchanted forest. So what are you all feeling with the new intense energy that we're going through this last week? There's a lot of planets in retrograde, so there's a lot of disruption and challenges, and you can make them obstacles for yourself if you wanted. But we don't do that anymore, do we? Because now we have the tools to find the solutions. And for me, this is what this time's all about. I love this little walk. When I'm walking along here, I always feel like I've got loads to say. There's an energy along here. And you might notice that I have recorded quite a few bits along here. See, me and Nicola are getting a style together now, filming the roots of trees. A little bit of a competition breaking out. So he did have some good ideas about a few collaborations that we could do, but we'll see what happens on that front. It could be quite interesting and fun. It's a little bit of a mishmash for you today, the way all this is going to be laid out. But I'm not too bothered. What I'll do is just keep it interesting and just put it out. Like, it's all been filmed in different orders, but it's all from the heart. So we'll see you again soon.